Today, we're going to show you how to install American Modified ZL1 fog lights with the turn signal integrated into them. Here's a quick look at the fog lights themselves and everything that will come with your order. Now, we had access to a lift, which definitely made the install itself a lot easier to do. But the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is remove the front wheels. And then from there, you can go ahead and detach the liner. You don't have to take the entire liner out, as you can see here. We just did enough so that we could access the housing to the fog light itself. From here, go ahead and start removing all the hardware that keeps the fog light in place. Once you've done that, go ahead and disconnect the wiring attached. American Modified does provide you with a new harness for the fog lights, but we decided to go ahead and use the factory wiring on ours. Once you go ahead and get this disconnected, go ahead and reattach your new American Modified fog lights and start putting them back in place. This will make it a lot easier for the next step. Once you've got everything in place, go ahead and find where you're going to connect that yellow wire that American Modified provides you with for the actual turn signal itself. Once you do, all you have to do is solder it into place. Here's a quick look of it once we got everything connected, and a quick glimpse of the actual turn signal itself working now in the fog light. From there, just go ahead and repeat the same process on the opposite side. And here's a quick look on just where that yellow wire is going to connect to for the turn signal itself. So quick view from up top and then one from inside the wheel well, so you can just see how tight it is to get to it. They do provide a large amount of the wiring for it, so you don't have to worry if you make any kind of mistakes or anything like that. We definitely had plenty of leftover slack. And here's a look of the final install with the turn signals and the hazard lights going.